When calculating loads by the standard method, if there are a total of 11 electric dryers installed, what is the correct demand factor percentage that must be applied to determine the calculated load? The options were A, 50%, B, 42%, C, 55%, and D, 47%. And the correct answer is 47%. And for this one, we are going to head to table 220.54 in the 2023 and previous. And in the 2026 and later, we're going to head to table 120.54. When we get there, we always read the black bold heading to make sure that we're in the right table. It says household electric dryers. I feel good about it. Now we read all of our tables from top to bottom, left to right, using the black bold headings to navigate the table. On the left-hand side, we see that that is our number of dryers, and in this case, it's 11. On the right-hand side, we see our demand factor in percentage, meaning that that is just another multiplier that we will multiply our load by, like we've learned throughout the program. Starting on the left-hand side, we come down and find our number of dryers, and in this case, it's 11. Then we cross all the way over, and we find that it's 47%. And what this is saying is that we'll take our 11 dryers multiplied by the VAs of the individual dryer, so 11 multiplied by 5,000 minimum or whatever the nameplate is, then we would have 55,000. Then we would take that 55,000 and multiply it by 0.47, and that would be our new reduced load. I am the Electrical Code Coach, and my bargain is that these videos will add value to you, and you will in turn add value to others. Let's get to it.